Hello everyone. Today you will learn how to make first database using SQL Server commands. So, let's start. First, open Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio and connect to your server. Second, click on New Query button. Here, we have blank space to write our commands. The syntax for creating a database is create database, database name. I will create database named my first database. Each initial letter of the word for database name is capitalized. SQL commands are written in capital letters. It is some standard in writing SQL commands. Now we should execute this command. Select the whole line and click on Execute button. On the bottom we can see the message commands completed successfully. Now, we need to switch to the new database using command use my first database. Again, we can see message commands completed successfully. Now, we are using our database and can make some changes in it. I will now create example table named customer. The syntax for creating a table is create table, table name. After that goes open and close parenthesis and then we create columns. Define column name and data type. The data type parameter specifies the type of data the column can hold, for example, varchar, integer, date, etc. I will start to write create table customer. Now I will open and close parenthesis and create some columns. Customer ID. Integer not null. Primary key. First name, varchar 50, not null. Last name, varchar 50, not null. Email, varchar 100, not null. Address, varchar 200. By default, a column can hold null values. The not null constraint enforces a column to not accept null values. This enforces a field to always contain a value, which means that you cannot insert a new record or update a record without adding a value to this field. What is primary key? A column or columns is called primary key, PK, that uniquely identifies each row in the table. A table can contain only one primary key constraint. All columns defined within a primary key constraint must be defined as not null. If nullability is not specified, all columns participating in a primary key constraint have their nullability set to not null. Find out more about SQL constraints and data types in next videos. Select hold this part and click Execute. Commands completed successfully. Hope you like the video. Support me with subscribe. Thank you.